If you want to change the order of your pages on Squarespace, there's a couple of things that we can do. So you've got your main navigation, which is where you can change the order of how things look. And then in the not linked section, you can change the order of pages as you see them on the back end. So what I'll do is I'll show you both now. On our site here, we're within pages. So where that lives is when you look at the home dashboard, you just click into pages. Now you'll see the main navigation, which represents all the nav items up here. And you've got not linked, which you can get to these pages, but you just won't see them in the main navigation. So if you want to change the order within the main nav, all you got to do is drag your page down to where you want it to go. If we zoom in on this, you'll see there's a nice little dotted line to give you a bit of a guide as to where the page is going to fall. Now, we do exactly the same for not linked, but this is more so if you just want organizational change within the backend, because no one on the front end is going to see the order of these pages. But what I like to do is if I click on plus and I use drop down, we can change or we can organize things. So if I say, let's say we create one called backend, and this is going to be like a member site, welcome page, and then a course page. So we'll drag those in there. And then we can say another drop down and go maybe, I don't know, admin, for instance. Now you can change what these are named, but if we drag them in, you can see that we can change the order. And you can also change the order within a drop down. So if I want to put home above thank you, I'll do that there. Contact, boom, and you can see it joins this sort of link tree here. Now, if you want to drag a drop down into the main nav, you can do that too. So you drag it in and you're going to see the folder. If you want to change that folder up again, it's exactly the same. So you drag, you drop, and immediately that's shown on the live site. So those are all the different ways that you can organize your nav within Squarespace. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.